So welcome back to another video on the model farm. Today I'm going to try and do a stop motion video. Yeah! So welcome back to another video on the model farm. Today we're harvesting wheat. As you can see, Sam's just coming down with a trailer on. And they've got this field to do, then a couple of other down the track. Then the neighbour's got to do some of his. The boss has got new tyres on his tractor, so he's just weighing how much pressure's on each tyre, so he knows how much air to put in the tyres. Here I'm stacking bales and I've just gone to get something out the tractor. Linda's taking the horse muck out of our stable. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you later. Bye.